Hello and welcome to another Onshape Tech Tip. This is Ignacio Martos, and today we'll be looking at boundary surface. Boundary surface allows you to match curvature on opposite sides. Each surface will have a U and V direction. These are just naming conventions. You can create composite curves as you make your selection. When selecting boundaries, you can also add continuity constraints in relation to adjacent faces. This will result in cleaner surfaces and give you added control over the geometry being created. In this example, you can see the difference between fill and boundary surface results. Fills can be very effective at filling holes and patching small areas, but when you wish for better control over the continuity and blend of two regions, you might find boundary surface more suited to the task. The Loft tool is one of the most powerful surfacing features in Onshape. But with all the control that it offers, it can become quite mathematically complex and generate a lot of control points. This will lead to less performant areas in the design. In many cases, boundary surface will be a suitable alternative that will create a lot less control points along the path and output and comparable, if not better, surface quality. Next time you're approaching a surfacing problem, take a look at boundary surface and compare your output. I hope that this was helpful. We will see you next week.